अच्छा आर्सेनल की तरफ बोलो भाइयों जो बोलना है पहले मैं सुन लूं उसके बाद
I think you should start.
I think Mustafa should start because
I think
I've
you
been
guys
waiting.
should start. I'll come
I've been
in at
waiting
the
for
end, जितना
Mustafa.
बकर ने किया था
Anji, so Sadi. What do you got to say for yourself?
हाँ जी वाला मजाक नहीं चलेगा हाँ
What do you have to say for yourself? Explain yourself, man.
यार
What do you think? Arsenal, Arteta,
Arteta is shit
where your club is as a whole.
going downhill. Arteta is shit. The owners are the biggest problem at the club. Or obviously Arteta has to take the blame at the end of the day. Like, it's not all of his fault, right? He's put into this position. आगे जाके जो करे शायद अच्छा मैनेजर बन जाए शायद ना बने. लेकिन he's put into a project with limited budget and he's expected to deliver जब कि उसका कोई experience नहीं है. So Arteta is in a tough position. He should leave Arsenal. मुझे लगता है कोई भी Arsenal fan ऐसा नहीं होगा.
But what is he expected to deliver? Like, you know, the fans' expectations are very different from what probably the owners are.
Owners की तो
I don't think that
I don't think owners
they
have
all
an
get
expectation, right?
Exactly. I don't think they think that, you know, we should be fourth.
Fans की expectation इस season के लिए थी कि get back to the Champions League. Fourth आते हो तो best है, नहीं आते तो Europa
No,
League.
but Sadi, don't you think you're being like? I get the criticism and all that. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा. Like Arteta has been like this decisions he's made were
हाँ,
pretty bad.
ridiculous.
Like it's team select करना और सब कुछ.
Ridiculous.
But don't you think like everyone said last season, right, that without Aubameyang, like Aubameyang जब आया, he's been your top goal scorer for 2 seasons. He won the Golden Boot in his first season, and then in the second season he finished like 2-3 goals off it. And we always said that Aubameyang is carrying this club, ठीक है, for 2 seasons and with goals wise. And that's exactly what happened this season. Like without Aubameyang, we said कि क्या करेंगे Arsenal. And without Aubameyang, हुआ है. Like even though Aubameyang was there, but Aubameyang wasn't, you know, that Aubameyang. वो Aubameyang नहीं है जो हम कह रहे हैं. So basically, you've got a trailer of Arsenal without Aubameyang this season. And you've seen how poor you guys have been. Like literally, like literally 11th, 10th, 11th पहुंच गए हो तुम. So you so yeah.
But
you need that.
Villa.
So bro, you need that. So Aubameyang वाला.
नीचे Villa.
So वही Aubameyang वाला impact भी.
2 games in hand.
तो impact भी गायब हो गया ना.
Points फिर भी नहीं हुआ.
Bro, it doesn't matter. You're really way off. The point is कि Aubameyang का impact चला गया, and on top of that, you already had these cracks. Like those were there.
Bro, पूरा
like
hole था.
हाँ ना. तो वही.
Yeah, anyways, लेकिन Arteta got a few players जो उसने मांगे थे. He wanted a centre back. He wanted Gabriel specifically. He got him. He wanted Thomas Partey. शुरू से उससे link थे.
And Thomas Partey isn't. Yeah, but he isn't.
He's a brilliant.
He isn't a mid-tier player. He's pretty well-renowned player.
And I'm surprised no one else bought him. Like Partey is
decent signing.
मैं वही कह रहा हूँ. It's a brilliant. दोनों actually Gabriel जो है, he's been really good for his first season. He doesn't have a partner. Rob Holding खेलता है उसके साथ.
तुम्हारा लेफ्ट बैक अच्छा खासा है.
Left back Kieran Tierney आधा साल injured होता है लेकिन जब
he's good player.
He's really good. Right back non-existent Hector Bellerin और Cedric Suarez और Callum Chambers. चेम्बर्स जब से टीम में आए पिछले 3-4 हफ्ते चलो ठीक है खेला लेकिन इतने ज़्यादा होल्स है उस टीम में लेकिन फिर भी Arteta got the players he wanted underperformed कुछ भी नहीं किया
but some of them did ना some of them just aren't good enough there and also you needed the main thing जो मेरे लिए था like Arsenal needed a creative attacker like who can contribute in the play but on top of that also like on the you know assists and goals thing
Cazorla Rosicky type player
because Cazorla Cazorla तो फिर भी थोड़ा deep से कर रहा था ना सब कुछ but you need like Rosicky and stuff
Ozil type
no but also like I have to say like this Arteta thing has never made sense to me at all because I've never seen this happen that you sign a manager like this for a rebuild to wake up a sleeping giant, you know.
I mean, I have seen it happen with
Madrid. Hasn't Oli
in 2004, no, Carlos Queiroz came in. Same problem.
No, bro,
but Oli
United like
but United weren't as far back as Arsenal were. Arsenal have had.
Bro, I think you were bad.
Arsenal have had.
We were bad.
But not this bad. But not this.
They were this bad.
They've been
really bad.
अब इतने bad हो गया ना Unai की era में.
लेकिन यार आर्टेटा को उन्हें साइन किया ठीक है और मतलब सिर्फ बस एंडलेस मीडिया में प्रेज चल रही थी कि व्हाट अ पर्सन ही इज सो इंप्रेसिव ही हैडंट डन एनीथिंग
उसकी पीआर टीम बहुत
एंड इट्स नॉट इवन फेयर टू हिम बिकॉज़ ही हैज हैड दीस एक्सपेक्टेशंस ऑफ हिम एंड ही हैज बीन पुट ऑन अ पेडेस्टल फॉर बीइंग क्लोज टू Guardiola. What did
that happen? People saw but people saw, bro. You can't deny that. ठीक है, like
what did he say? What did he say? As what tactician?
Bro, as a tactician, like even Sadi can tell you, like उस तरह play काफी like defensively, Arsenal were all over the place.
मेरी बात सुनो, ये चीजें तुमने उसके साइन होने के बाद देखी है ना?
ये मेरी बात सुनो.
हमारे पास आर्टेटा को साइन करने की बेसिस क्या थी?
जितना highly rated था वो as an assistant of Pep Guardiola. तो वही basis थी
But
और क्या
क्या-
होगा?
Yeah, yeah,
wait,
basis
I don't
is
understand.
not something new. It's been going on since like decades in football, where
But even
Mourinho
the-
was there,
but even-
where he was an assistant. You had Steve McLaren there, who had a whole career
Bro,
out of being.
But Lampard,
Mourinho
Darby
went-
said-
Mourinho
one
went to
season-
Porto.
Carlos Queiroz was such a shit manager for Madrid in 2004
Mustafa,
with the
Lampard,
Galacticos.
but
biggest
put it-
example, Lampard for you
Lampard.
guys.
No, listen.
One season at Derby and he did a great season
hold
at
on,
Chelsea.
hold on.
He
Listen,
had a better
listen,
season
listen
at
to
Chelsea
me.
than he did at
Listen to
Derby.
me for a
Yeah.
second.
One
This
at
is
a time.
just-
One at a
So
time.
managerial picks are
Listen-
made on potential.
Listen
Yeah.
to me for a second. We've seen it happen over and over again where club legends are appointed.
Willis Boas for you
Where are
guys. Do you
appointed
remember him?
because a lot of that has to do with getting the fans back on your side. There's reasons for that. But with Arteta, he was not a club legend.
मैं
He had
बताता
never
हूँ-
managed before.
मैं बताता हूँ 2 reasons कि क्यों उसे हायर किया था. First of all, Unai Emery को निकालना था, ठीक है, और जो Kroenkes है ना, Kroenkes है, they don't spend money. Arteta was cheap. Arteta was a former player.
Now it starts making
Fans-
sense. Yes.
Fans obviously would back him क्योंकि Unai के बाद कोई भी आता ना, literally कोई भी, fans would. have been
Wouldn't
on
you
his
agree,
side.
Saad, that
Wenger
your
back.
owners are also okay with mediocrity?
हाँ.
This is
मैंने
the
तो
biggest
शु-
problem.
मैंने तो शुरू में बोला था, they don't care if we get Champions League back or
That's
anything.
the problem,
मतलब
yeah.
हाँ शायद उन्हें पैसे थोड़े ज्यादा मिल जाए, लेकिन they won't care. यार वो एक मैच देखा यार उसने जब से वो owner
सही बात
बना
है।
जब से owner बना
और
तीन
लैम्पार्ड की
match-
सैकिंग
सबसे
हार्श
big
थी,
owner
लेकिन
since
कम
when?
से कम लैम्पार्ड की सैकिंग ये तो दिखाते थे
Kroenke is
कि
owner
आप
since
सेटल नहीं
when?
करें mediocrity के लिए.
2010 I guess or 11 और तब से एक मैच देखा उसने आर्सेनल में.
And
Oh,
before
yeah,
that,
that's
there
true.
was like that
And they
stadium
charged
problem.
the highest season tickets in all of Europe.
हाँ
Yeah.
अभी भी
All of Europe. To see a team finish 10th.
bro without Champions League football अभी भी highest ticket prices.
Kroenke, if
Because
you're
they don't
watching
have the
this.
commercial appeal of like perhaps Liverpool or
No,
United.
they do
नहीं,
though.
नहीं, नहीं.
They
They
absolutely
do.
do.
Not at that level.
No,
like,
of course not
But
at
that
that level,
level,
but
those
they
two are
have
two
United
big
don't
clubs.
do
It's
it.
pretty.
Obviously लेकिन
Yeah.
third पे Arsenal
मतलब
नहीं
this is not for this. मैं genuinely बात कर रहा हूँ. Okay.
But they're
वो
still
थोड़ा
up
सा-
there, man.
Obviously, you got to generate revenue from somewhere, right? So
Bro,
Champions
they-
League में
they
आप आ
आता.
नहीं
That
रहे.
doesn't matter ना
Arsenal-
Spurs का क्यों नहीं है फिर इतनी high
नहीं नहीं
prices?
तुम आर्सेनल की तुम आर्सेनल के अकाउंट्स देखो. आर्सेनल के अकाउंट्स पब्लिक है. आर्सेनल के पास काफी कैश
पैसा है,
रिजर्व्स हैं.
Yeah.
वो बहुत पैसा वो ला रहे हैं अंदर.
अच्छा
इसी तरह बना
वैसे
रहे
देख लो ना 50 मिलियन पाउंड का अगर पार्टे साइन कर रहे हैं किस तरह आ रहे हैं अपने क्लब से पैसा निकाले ओनर ने एक पैसा नहीं लगाया सो अगर ओनर इन्वेस्ट करे इफ ही बैक्स आर्टेटा शुड लीव लेकिन they won't sack him कोई चांस ही नहीं है he's
Yeah,
not
who are you
getting
gonna
sacked.
get? I don't think at this point anyone would want.
Yeah,
that
No,
sort
they
of
would
job.
come, man. But like you
Ralf
said,
Rangnick is my choice ठीक है RB Leipzig का मैनेजर था उसने बनाया था रीबिल्ड प्रोसेस है
But would he-
सस्ता आएगा he would यूथ है हमारे पास our best performing player has been Bukayo Saka this season 19-year-old Emil Smith Rowe जब से टीम में आया है आफ्टर
think he's really good.
चेल्सी के अगेंस्ट पहला मैच था उससे अब तक जो टेबल है आर्सेनल 4th on the table उससे पहले they were 11th
Bro,
So
Arsenal's
that's an
youth is
impact.
really underrated. Like their youth with.
उसके बाद Kieran Tierney is 23 और 24
हाँ.
लेफ्ट बैक अगर वो इंजर्ड ना हो रहता हो गेब्रियल जो सेंटर बैक साइन किया ही इज 22 पार्टे इज 27 सो इट्स अ यंग जो कोर है ना वो यंग
You can work with this, like, you can
एग्जैक्टली
work
दे
with
गुड
this.
प्लेयर्स और फिर उसके अंदर अगर आप 33-year-old विलियन डाल दोगे और उसे सारे मैचेस खिलाओगे तो फिर यही होगा ना
हाँ.
यार अभी उसने 37 मैचेस बाद अपना पहला गोल मारा
देखो विलियन को कुछ ना बोलो. ठीक है, it's not Willian's fault.
He's a bad player.
He's not a bad player. He's a great player.
Yeah,
He's one of our.
he was a good player
one
at
of our
Chelsea. He
best.
wasn't the right fit at Arsenal. मैं तो यही बोलूँगा.
Quite possibly, yeah.
बस यही है और
That's
तो कुछ
fair,
नहीं।
yeah.
और नहीं एक्चुअली आर्टेटा के मुझे और जो तप है वो निकलेस पेपे पे है। अभी वेस्ट ब्रॉम के अगेंस्ट उसने खैर वो रॉबिन के वाले कर्लर्स नहीं होते वो ही करता है अब पेपे की जो लील पे गेम थी ना he would run off defenders अभी क्या he comes back he collects
Yeah,
the ball
it's the opposite.
it's not his game
Yeah.
And you know, this reminds me so much of I remember when we lost Coutinho, right? And that season, the next season, Sadio Mane got the number 10 shirt. ठीक है? उसके बाद transition तो what Klopp tried to do for a brief, बहुत छोटा time के लिए मुझे याद है around 5-10 games ना. Mane was so frustrating to watch. The type of player like Mane is not the type of player to do exactly what you mentioned. कि you know कि collect करो तो Klopp literally had him from the left wing, told him कि यार तुम आ जाया करो, like you know collect the ball from deep and try to, and it was horrible. Like it was so hard to watch. And then he changed that एकदम से because he realized that. So I feel like ये शादी का point बहुत valid है कि
लेकिन वो
इधर-
बज नहीं करता ना. आर्टेटा के अंदर वो थोड़ी सी
हाँ,
पेप वाली
ये-
चीज है कि हम बज नहीं
ये बात-
करेंगे.
ये
हमारी
बात है.
फिलोसफी किंग है.
मैंने जो बोला है वही सही है that's his that is his biggest downfall.
Pep's earned it. He has.
Because
Pep-
if you remember
Pep is
Arsenal,
Pep- Pep-
Arsenal,
He's earned it, yeah.
Arsenal. I don't know if I haven't seen enough games this season, but ever since Arteta came, you could see that they were just forcing playing out from the back, and it was almost difficult to watch because these players weren't built for that.
Reminded
The
me of Van
Mustafis
Gaal
of this
times.
world.
Like, you know, when Tyler Blackett would bring
नहीं,
it from the
नहीं,
back.
नहीं ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा करके शुरू की मैं सिर्फ बात कर रहा हूँ जब वो till the end of the last season I saw a positive change. चेल्सी के अगेंस्ट सबसे पहला मैच ये यूनाइटेड के अगेंस्ट 2-0 जीता था. यू डोंट एक्सपेक्ट आर्सेनल टू डू दैट. उसके बाद चेल्सी के अगेंस्ट स्टैमफोर्ड ब्रिज पे गए. वी शोड स्पिरिट. 10 men down, they came back. I was like things are changing. ठीक है. फिर FA कप फाइनल में
He also beat City in the semi.
सिटी को सेमी में हराया, चेल्सी को फाइनल में हराया, लिवरपूल को 2 दफा हराया, कम्युनिटी शील्ड में हराया. I was like यार things are good.
I feel like Arsenal.
Everything
I
fell apart.
feel like Arsenal has a few bad players as well, like with bad
Few.
morale.
Few.
That, you know, like जो के younger talent के लिए they're not really that good. Like, you know, Xhaka is like, I don't want to say the word, but you know what I mean,
No, no.
right?
If you, what do you think are the steps to fixing this?
Steps to fixing this.
Players
Get-
or owners, managers,
यार
has to be a lot, right?
ओनर अगर चेंज हो जाए तो क्या ही बात है. नहीं होते चेंज.
Squad balance है
Bro.
तुम्हारे squad में क्या जरूरत है?
स्कॉट बामेयांग को अभी रखें 1-2 साल. ही साइंड अ न्यू कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. लाका को कड्डो.
No,
मार्टिनेली
like a blood clot. No,
Yeah,
nothing.
भाई.
No, but you can
Martinelli
use,
should
bro,
stay.
you can use Lacazette, man.
Yeah.
Man,
You
I
can
miss
actually
Truth's
use that
videos
guy.
about like a blood clots and then he's look, eyes go crazy.
लाका और फर्मिनियो की जहाँ पे इतनी इधर लड़ाई हुई है ना.
Bro,
और कहीं
इधर
भी
छोड़
नहीं
हर जगह even I
दोनों
met a
फारिग
few
हो
friends. हाँ कसम से bro.
क्या like troops, yeah, like you just go mad like.
हुई. अच्छा हाँ. Aubameyang should stay. Martinelli should stay. Pepe should stay. Thomas
Pepe should
Partey.
stay, you think?
हाँ.
You can use these players.
I
man.
think
They're good
give him a
players.
season or two.
They're not
Yeah,
bad
bro,
players. You can
Pepe
use
hasn't
them.
been that bad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
क्यों खिलाया ही उसे कम है. यूरोपा में वही करता
A
है.
season
Also,
or
it's
two.
not his fault that 72 was his price, I guess. It's also
Yeah,
unfair.
that's too much,
वही
but it's
Mag-
so unfair. वैसे.
Yeah, वही Maguire वाली बात.
Same.
It's not his fault कि he's an 80 million.
सही है.
Yeah, Maguire's
Constant
bad for 80 million, but he's a decent defender.
He-
Yeah.
I've always
Yeah.
said this, bro.
He's
Like
probably
genuine.
the second or third best defender in the league.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, not
Relax,
third.
please.
Not third
Okay.
or second.
It's not that.
In
I-
this
even-
season-
even I
no,
wouldn't.
Not even first.
I
man.
wouldn't even rate him that
What?
high.
How can you put him in top 3 just like that? I think.
I think top
season.
5.
Actually, this season. Yeah,
This
this
season.
season. ठीक
Top
है.
five.
Even this season, I don't know, man.
Khair,
You have-
anyways,
you have-
it's not about
We'll
Maguire.
get,
वो
we'll do
हम
that.
प्रीमियर
Yeah.
लीग टीम ऑफ द सीजन की वीडियो निकालेंगे. उसमें मजा आएगा. खैर और उसके अलावा पता ही तो है यार. टेनी शुड स्टे. गैब्रियल
Who should go? Who should
Who
go?
should go? यार
Yeah.
इतनी लंबी लिस्ट है.
He's like, everybody else should go.
Bellerin
No, but that's impossible, ना? You can't take. You're not gonna. Your club's not gonna take everyone out. So who's? So,
मैंने वही सबसे
so
पहले
now what do you
कहा
think is the
ना,
quickest
it's-
fix? Like, how would you?
Quickest fix. Get rid of Xhaka. Get rid of Bellerin. Get rid of Arteta. और
Get acquired by Spotify.
Kroenke, हाँ, get acquired by
No, but
Spotify.
again, it does not have-
That'd be great if that doesn't happen.
But that's
Kroenke
not-
should spend, should invest
अच्छा.
a bit of
No,
money.
but do you think you
200
need
million
you
दे
need no you
Chelsea
need
को.
you need defenders, right? ठीक है. वो तो है. You need a right back.
Rob Holding should go. David Luiz चला जाएगा.
No,
he
I
hasn't
think
been
you
that
should
bad.
keep, but you should keep Luis. I think you can use
He
him.
hasn't been that bad. वैसे मैं बताऊँ उसमें 2-3 mistakes की हैं.
तुमने
high
जो वायरस
profile
भेजा है ना
mistakes
आर्सेनल
He's been-
बिलियन और लुइस वायरस.
उसके बाद देखो we need centre mids definitely.
Definitely
we
a
need
leader.
a right back. We need a backup
One
left
centre
back.
back.
Centre back definitely. Actually वैसे सलीबा अगर आके खेल
No, but
जाए
I
ना,
don't
he's a
think,
good.
bro. You know why I say centre back? Because I've seen the effect. Like I've had this thing with Liverpool. Now we've had the defensive
अब
issues.
भाई तुम लिवरपूल को ना कंपेयर करो ना
No,
आर्सेनल
but
से.
मैं-
वैन डाइक नहीं आ सकता.
No, मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि Van Dijk type लाओ. I'm like bring someone the closest you can get to like a proper leader commander that you can see कि अच्छा,
Like, you know,
he can do something.
There
like
are up and
United
coming
का-
centre backs in the league.
That's what I'm trying to say. Like,
Maybe
you
2-3
can
years
do
later
that.
you can get like a
Like, rather
Fofana or
than
something.
Would
relying
you go
on someone
that
who's
route
out of
though?
the league.
Would you go that route, or would you go like, you know how we sort of got Silva in his twilight? Would you go that route?
So that's
They
what
both
ये मैं
can
कह रहा
work.
हूँ. Bro, they're two.
We did that now with Luis.
No, but that's
That
not.
was
That's
Luis.
not
Luis,
level
I love
different
Luis,
है.
but like, you know,
Level
Luis,
different,
Luis
yeah.
is not.
Yeah, level different. I get what you mean. Like it's not
like
Luis
like
isn't
maybe
that
a
thing.
maybe a Sergio Ramos, for example.
That,
as-
but
this
obviously
kind of
Ramos
thing.
था.
He'd never
No,
come.
but close, not Ramos.
They're not even in
No,
Europe
but you're-
anymore. They're
you're
not
getting
even
his
in the
point.
Europa League.
यूरोपा में भी नहीं है.
We're
bro.
not getting his point. He's like
my
that
example
type
there,
of
no?
that
An
type of-
accomplished defender at the end of his career can still play a part in teams like this.
Yeah,
Definitely
man. So that's what I'm
could,
saying.
लेकिन-
Like you need a centre back like that. I don't care if you have Luis still with you, ना. If you get someone of that caliber, now थोड़ा सा जो marginal side पे हो उसका, तो your defense can work it out and grind it out till you get into a better position. That's the problem. Like you can't have ifs and buts. Saliba is an if and but. All these players are. Gabriel is an if and but still. Ye players if and but se kabhi nahi hoga because we were saying Skirtle, we were saying all these players that came in. Bro, trust me, these guys were proper hyped up as they can, but they never do. That's the problem. You need a proper
what I have
established.
against that is like at this point in time, if you're a player and you have clear top floor in the Premier League next season, you've got United, Chelsea, Liverpool, and City. And Arsenal's not even in the Europa League.
Even Leicester.
But their
Exactly.
teams are
Everton.
complete.
And then-
Let me tell you one thing: the difference between Arsenal and them. Those teams, you're gonna have a tough time getting into. If that player doesn't have the motivation to grind it out, तो वो कभी नहीं, वो
Because
कभी
he's at
नहीं
the end of his
Arsenal
career.
फिर आएगा. वो फिर कहेगा ठीक है, I'll sit on the bench and be with you guys, and that'll be a shit signing for us then. If a proper player will definitely join. Like if he wants to, because he's not getting into Liverpool team, he's not getting into an Arsenal team.
But then again, you
Chelsea,
question the
Liverpool,
quality of the
Liverpool,
players
Liverpool.
as well, right?
कौन घुस रहा है? A
जिसकी
centre
भी
back.
बात, हाँ.
I mean,
a good centre back.
एक
Who's
minute.
getting in?
If you
Bro, next
You
season.
need centre back right now.
Bro, next season. I'm talking about next season.
Haan,
I'm not
to-
talking about this season. Next season you have Van Dijk, you have Gomez, you have that Konate who's coming in.
Oh,
तो वो
Konate
तो
मैं
bro
भूल गया
तो
था
ठीक है
actually.
तो फिर ना हमारी
No, I'm not talking about
यूनाइटेड की एक जगह रहती है सिर्फ
Lindelof.
ठीक है एक जगह रहती है एंड यू माइट जस्ट बोस्ट टू दैट चेल्सी की कंप्लीट है आई डोंट थिंक चेल्सी का कोई चाहिए और कौन टीम रह गया आर्सेनल इज द नेक्स्ट
but you know like
you want to join
yeah, but there are other clubs in Europe as well. If you're a centre back who's actually good, if you yourself think that you're not good enough to get in the top 4 team, then that's not the kind of player you should be going for. Exactly. And the attitude matters as well. So I personally think that it'll be very difficult for Arsenal, and they should stop going for. They should be realist. They should stop
Young-
going for.
young.
Bro, I
like
think
they should know where they
you know how
stand.
they got Thomas
There's
Partey
no Europe. There's no money. They should go for young talent and try to get a manager who's footballing wise has a good philosophy.
Ralph Ragnick.
Yeah, and you know who can do good with less. So, and that's the only way. I don't think Krionka is a practical way of getting him out. I don't think like
Bro,
that might take a while.
the thing is defensively, right? You can use all the attackers. मैं तो पहले से like Saadi and I we were talking way back in the Arteta thing. We were like, what's the next best thing to do? You have to play these youngsters. And वो ही किया like you know he started playing it that time पे, and you saw the results improve. वो मैं नहीं बात कर रहा. I'm just talking about defense strictly. We've seen like over time you've seen that this youngster route in defense ये कभी नहीं चलता यार. Like young defenders they're going to make a mistake. That's how they learn. If you go back to all these prime Ramos ना तुम Ramos को बड़ा praise करो. Go back to Ramos' young age, you'll see how many mistakes he makes.
Everyone
He
makes
still does.
mistakes.
And he still does. ठीक है.
Yeah,
The
yeah.
point is, young defender coming in, तुम्हारी इस logic पे, they're gonna in this toxic environment, he's gonna get bashed and his career's over. His career's over. That young defenders, and you're not gonna get that young defender's not gonna have a good chance. That's why it's really harsh
just
on
a
the
second.
youngster
I'm not saying
to rely
young
on him
players.
to get.
I'm not saying young players. I'm saying unknown players. So there's a lot of 25, 26-year-olds very good in Portuguese league or somewhere like that where you can get the job done. If you start going for marquee signings, I don't think Arsenal has the muscle. They might have the money for it, but they don't have the
Maybe
clout
not.
for it.
Bro,
Yeah,
money
exactly.
can attract.
You don't have the money, but अगर चलो पैसे आ भी जाए, you don't have the clout for it as well, right?
नहीं नहीं
Like, yeah.
अगर पैसे आ जाएं तो जिस तरह थॉमस पार्टे आया यार कैसे आया वो?
And bro, वही मैं कह
Well,
रहा हूँ. By the way,
अभी तक
I still think they have pull, man.
No
You have
one
to
in
remember
Europe was
कि
going for
stadium
it.
matter
That's
करता
what I'm
है,
saying.
शहर भी वो बहुत मैटर करता है. नहीं वो तो मतलब
खैर
it's a
यार,
big
वैसे
stadium.
Patrick
It's
कह रहा
it's a
था,
new
चलिए.
stadium. It's also London, which
London,
people matter,
yeah.
and like Arsenal still has prestige.
It's pull, bro. ये pull power है.
But you know this thing with Arsenal's prestige, you know, like for how long?
That's
For how
true.
long is
They-
it
Bro,
gonna
as long as Henry is alive.
No, but
Yeah, but like you know,
He's
कब तक
right, man.
चलेगा?
Like, eventually
you know, it's coming to a
players
point where
realize
it's getting
it's
a
not
bit
going
tricky.
anywhere, yeah.
Where in the Premier League era, Chelsea's won more, City's won more. So you know, it's getting a bit dented. Yeah.
That's
अगर
true.
दो सीजन्स और ये यूरोप से बाहर रहते हैं ना
सही
they're
बात
done.
है.
Exactly.
They're
Yeah,
done.
yeah. You're on the
कोई
edge.
नहीं
ना
Yeah, you
प्लेयर
have to
रहेंगे
invest in
और
youth.
यूरोप से बाहर
Yeah.
आते तो आपके फाइनेंसर्स को काफी बुरी हिट लगती
बहुत
है.
ज्यादा
Yeah.
और ये तो चलते ही फाइनेंस पे हैं सिर्फ और खैर नेक्स्ट सीजन की बात अगर मैं करूं तो जस्ट गेट रिड ऑफ द मैनेजर गेट रिड ऑफ majority
But
of
who
the
do you
squad.
want if you get rid of Arteta? Who do you think is good?
You
Ragnick
have
के अलावा मतलब like
Ragnick है,
I don't think
I
he's
don't
gonna
know,
come.
नहीं
he hasn't even coached like for a year. Like he's the
हाँ.
director now over
हाँ.
there. वो तो director है, manager है. अभी.
Yeah, but
नहीं है.
And coming back and getting
And
into
getting
a
into
tough
this
job.
hassle, no,
Yeah,
like,
a tough
that's
job.
the problem,
Exactly.
ना, कि this
Bro,
job
या
isn't
तो-
easy.
या तो खर्चों पे से हैवी और कॉन्टे को लाओ
Yeah.
He's not
Bro,
gonna
you know,
come.
No,
पूरा
Conte
स्टेडियम दे दो उसे
Saadi
ये तुम्हारा
practical
है.
पूछ रहा
No,
हूँ.
no,
Conte
this
is
is
not gonna
very-
come.
no,
Like, come on,
no,
believe.
no,
Conte.
no,
It's
no,
like
no.
me wishing Guardiola comes
No,
to
no,
United.
no,
He's
no,
never
no,
gonna
Conte
come.
कोई भी नहीं है
No, bro,
कॉन्टे
but-
के फड्डे चल
bro,
रहे हैं
Conte
इसलिए मैंने
chance
कहा वो
है.
एक चांस है
And
और
on
तो
top-
कोई भी नहीं
and I
और
think
कौन
the
है?
biggest, you know, we're talking about players, right? कि player signing. I think the biggest signing, Chelsea's best signing was Thomas Tuchel. Arsenal's best signing could be this. Like rather than investing in, and even Liverpool, like getting Klopp and all these are better signings than the ones we
when
made.
PSG sacked
These are all-
Tuchel, I said कि Arsenal should get Tuchel. लेकिन obviously वो Chelsea
बोर्ड सुन ही नहीं रहा था क्योंकि ना देखता नहीं है ना एक तो ये
हाँ उसे भी दिखाओ
उसे भी दिखाओ ना बकर यार क्या कर रहे हो
को दिखा रहे
Yeah.
हो Kroenke को भी दिखा दो
Kroenke,
Stan.
are you listening?
Stan, watch it.
Blood clot.
I'm going to finish on this note कि अगर invest नहीं करते और manager नहीं change करते so there's no future for the next
I would just like to say
3-4
one thing
years.
that we
Yeah.
will not mind at all if you want to switch clubs.
Yeah, I was
We have a
gonna
lot
say
of room
that.
in our hearts. If you want to become a Chelsea supporter, just down the street.
Who'd you support if?
North
Would
to
you
West
stop
London,
supporting
Ajay?
Arsenal?
Boca Juniors
नहीं in the Premier League. In the Premier League.
They've got nice cheerleaders.
Huh?
They've got nice cheerleaders.
रमजान
Boca
का
Juniors.
महीना यार
तो बस तफा रहे
क्या?
But on a
Guys.
serious note,
Oh wait, don't
would you
Hashtag
stop,
cancel
would you
believe.
stop
cancel
supporting
कर
them?
दिया मुझे क्या कह रहे
Cancel
हैं
believe.
would I stop supporting Arsenal
Yeah.
never bro
Yeah.
मतलब I can hate
Kidding.
them
What is serious?
I can hate them
Yeah. Because
on
the
days.
debates going on, like Arsenal fans, like I don't believe in this club, like
That's
you
what
know.
I just thought I'd offer.
यार,
I'd
हाँ,
offer
off
like
हो
an
जाता है।
olive branch.
इन लोगों को ये पता नहीं है क्योंकि जब
मेरा-
से इन्होंने
मेरा
देखना
कोई
शुरू
सवाल
किया,
भी है।
इनका अच्छा सीन रहा है
बस
I just want to know how you feel when you see Willian doing nothing and then you look across and you see Giroud scoring a bicycle kick against Atletico
Giroud
Madrid
भाई,
as we
Giroud
move to the semi-finals. It must be quite
नहीं
heartbreaking to see what you got and what we got.
विलियन पे बहुत दुख होता है लुइस पे दुख नहीं होता क्योंकि
Giroud को
लुइस-
दुख नहीं होता देख के।
जिरू पे कोई दुख नहीं होता
yeah, you should go for the Sam Allardyce model, get older players. Jejo Gacha. Benzema ले लो,
Maximan
Ramos
sign-
ले आओ.
Maximan sign कर लो.
ex Real
Bro,
Madrid उठा
these
रहे
type
हैं
of players can change your thing. Like you have, if you
Because
just
the
buy
young
from
players
the
pick
एक
up
side
on
पे
this.
Dama Traore, एक side पे Saint Maximin.
Oh,
oh
insane.
oof
All vibes. no, but you can also like target just Newcastle and Callum Wilson. I think Callum Wilson can be easily targeted and come to Arsenal. Better, bigger
Arsenal-
club us tarah.
नहीं,
No, I'm just saying the pull power, bro. And you, on
Pull
top of that,
power
let me
तो
tell you one.
obviously उनसे
Let me tell you a
ज़्यादा
few signings you can actually make that impact your team and manager को. Like obviously रख तो like realistically अब देखो
हाँ,
ना.
ना,
Like you
name
can't
drop.
talk about because Arteta नहीं निकाल रहा वो. ठीक है. You know, not owners. Like I want my owners to go and I want to be like adopted by क्या कहते हैं Roman Abramovich है जो भी इस तरह का owner आ जाए मेरे लिवरपूल के मजे.
रोमन
lot
की
of
झोलियों में
credit-
बैठकर
कसम से यार बस जो लेकिन
बड़े
that's
बोल
not-
बोल रहे
but
होते हैं
that's
इधर
not
बैठ के।
happening ना,
Roman
ठीक है?
is our guy,
Chelsea
but
का-
Marina is the actual hero for Chelsea. Must
अच्छा
say.
ठीक है bro whatever तो वो ये मैं कह रहा हूँ कि Arsenal can easily do this attack Callum Wilson जाके
Attack
Bissouma
Callum
like
Wilson.
get
Attack
his
him
target
how? Attack
bro
him.
attack him like get them bro
अच्छा okay.
get them
Attack
man.
Callum Wilson.
Callum
Get-
Wilson doesn't
bro,
run.
get Callum
Just to
Wilson.
let you guys know,
They get-
we do not believe in abuse.
Yeah, we're not violent
Get
people.
listen I'll tell you, if you name drop a few players you can get you can get
Bissouma.
exactly Bissouma
Bissouma.
दूसरा बोल the midfield में then you need a 25
Tammy
million-
Abraham, bro.
bro
Get
25
Tammy Abraham.
बुंडिया
Bundia भी आ रहा है वो भी देखो
नाम
one of the
थोड़ा
best
ऑफ सा है उसका
no bro he's a baller like when I
Yeah,
say
if he
baller
doesn't do well, you're gonna face a lot
no
of
no
shit.
bro he's not doing wait no
songs in the stadium are gonna be lit
bro no but Bundia is a baller ठीक है
He's a
really
baller.
good. Bro he's a really good player
Yeah.
And
अच्छा,
मैंने
तो वो-
season
and
के
on top of
believe के
that-
bowler की वो बना लेना
bro वही वो भी है
compilation.
वो भी है but you'll see none of them will flop जो ballers मैं जिनको कहता हूँ anyways
अच्छा,
एक और भी
Thiago
है
की
you can
तरह।
have क्या मतलब कि
Okay,
अच्छा,
Thiago
यार,
has been a
he's
flop
not-
signing.
बेचारे
He's been a-
आर्सेनल को स्पॉटलाइट से ना हटाओ
Let's
Because
Let's talk about
Arsenal
Arsenal.
को ना हटाओ spotlight से दूसरी you can get an attacking midfielder you need one Arsenal needs one 25 million का price range में भी है OR मिल रहा है
कौन?
OR ना
Usam Awar.
Usam Awar and he's been great ठीक है and he's really effective front as well और 25 million का no one's going for him
Is
get
he
him.
French?
He's French
30 million
खेल किधर है
25 million है
I think
25
they should go
million.
back to
Wow.
Wenger's like schematics of like how to run a club. Go back to the French league.
Go back
Bro,
and
always
find
go there
the
उसमें इतना
Yeah.
talent है
French
उधर
league is the market to buy in bro
जरा फिर वेंगर को लाओ ना वापस.
हाँ वेंगर खैर क्या किया था उसने भी उसकी भी कोई गलती नहीं थी यार
Easy.
at the end
You know
of the
कम
day,
से कम
owners-
सुन तो लेते थे ना क्रियोंके
By the way,
थोड़े से.
some Arsenal
Good
fans say
binding.
some Arsenal fans say like I have a few friends they say that Wenger did overstay too much and he is
Ah,
part of the problem.
bro,
like
he
just that
obviously-
he's being painted in a good picture now because you see how bad it's doing. But
लेकिन obviously
back then,
overstayed
you
2012
think it's-
2013 में चले जाना चाहिए
Yeah.
था उससे But he
I agree,
stayed
man. Yeah.
3-4
But
years
the
too
thing
long.
is like I'm glad people realize that it wasn't all his problem. फिर.
was
Like
अभी
सब
अभी
नहीं था
clear
ना,
हो गया
अभी
ना
clear हो गया.
Unai didn't work, Wenger didn't work, Arteta didn't work. So who's the problem? It's the owners. Simple as that. I think इसी note पे खत्म करते हैं. काफी discussion हो गई है.
Yeah.
Good luck,
हाँ.
Arsenal.
Okay boys. Allah Hafiz.
Take care.
Like, subscribe तो बोलते हैं.